Hello there everyone, my name is Squalo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, I'm gonna start doing a lot more trading here, so subscribe, hit that notification bell, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna be placing a lot more trades. The ones that actually are also posted in Discord. There's a link to my Discord down in the description of this video. This is where we post a lot of our smallest trades and the altcoin trades and narrative trades, and we're doing exceptionally well. There is a lot of people making crazy money, and I'm gonna start replicating some of the trades, some of them, here on this YouTube channel as well, except for just besides my big Bitcoin trade. So just jumping straight into this, and I hope that you appreciate it. I'm making these updates for you guys as soon as something comes out, and that's why call me Mr. Sporon down in the comments for the algorithms. So this content reaches more people would be very much appreciated, and thank you in advance. So we've discussed, just real quick, because I have 4 meetings today, and I have a meeting in 30 minutes. I need to film this, edit it, put it in, and then do a meeting, and then a bunch of real filming. Today is a crazy day. So we discussed the Bitcoin price. We've discussed exactly what I'm waiting for Bitcoin to do, and the target right now for us is like 39.5. This area, this is the building for the long trade. This is our stop right here. If you haven't seen the previous video, go check it out. And it's going to be a spot accumulation in case if the futures trade doesn't work, and the target area is right here. So we've discussed it in the previous video. I'm not going to bore you to death. Also, one of more extra confirmation as to why I want to do it in this way is because of the CME gap, and it actually is coming in right here, a huge gap right in the same area. So it is kind of, I mean, it's not, I'm not trading, I don't have this set up because of the CME gap alone, but simply, but I found it quite cool that it actually coincides with the CME gap as well. Because, you know, CME gaps, all the gap stuff, sometimes they get close, sometimes not. It's all just, you know, in my opinion, rubbish. So in what I'm more interested in is liquidity and levels, etc. So this is number one. This is what we've already discussed. And now in this video, I want to give you 2 more trade setups that I'm going to be taking personally. And one is going to be on Doge Coin, which you're going to call me crazy. But actually, if you look at it, then you're going to see that Doge Coin is actually going to the moon, and not in a crypto sense, but in a literal sense. Doge Coin will be, its moon mission date has been confirmed, SpaceX to launch next year. So basically, Elon Musk and the SpaceX is sending Doge cryptocurrency, Doge, to moon on January the 12th of next year. So, and what we are believing right now and what we are seeing right now is that most likely this whole, you know, altcoin season and these pumps, because we're seeing some of the pumps here and there, and we've traded some cryptocurrencies, like some altcoins before, quite successfully. And if you have missed out on those videos and we made good returns, shame on you. So subscribe, hit that notification bell, and always watch every video from the beginning and until the end. So that being said, we think that my team, me and I, we think that these pumps could continue maybe up until, you know, this Dogecoin moon launch to the moon. So therefore, we have a trade that we've prepared for Dogecoin and for Lena. So I'm going to show those to you in just a second. And certainly, guys, if you want an exchange where you can trust it, there is no stupid fat about it, and you can actually trade all of these altcoins as well, then this is Bybit. And with my exclusive link, just between us, this is for you to actually get started in trading. Or if you've been trading but you want to claim some incredible cash bonuses for your trading, then Bybit provides the craziest deposit bonus in the world. Certainly there are deposit requirements. Don't be an idiot. Nobody's going to give you $30,000 for free. It's stupid to even assume something like this. So there are certain deposit requirements. So if you're a big trader or you're a smaller trader, you can always claim a smaller bonus. Bybit is one of the best ones out there. And yeah, so all the deposit requirements and all the stuff, which, I mean, all of my friends claimed bonuses and they use them for their trading, which is incredible. And I did the same, quite frankly, in the beginning. So yeah, I mean, if you're a real trader and you want to claim bonuses, that's the place to do. So you use my link down in the description of this video, and you can claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses. And you also get investing crypto education for free, which is worth like $500. You also get, all users get access to my crypto signals community, which says VIP signals in the description of this video. There's a link. This is where we post a lot of the trades. My team is just, my analysts are insane. They're amazing. So if you want to get access to that information, etc. So, and also there is a link to BitGet. The only benefit of BitGet really is that it doesn't require KYC in select countries. So if you're still having problems with KYC, which you shouldn't, because every single exchange out there is going to actually have a KYC at some point, so therefore just do it already. But if you can't, then BitGet is your solution, depending on your country right now. So moving back to Dogecoin and to my trade setup on Doge. So for now, if Bitcoin actually corrects, then kind of it could invalidate the altcoin trades. That's true. But sometimes, you know, when we have these kinds of smallest corrections in Bitcoin and some kind of consolidations in Bitcoin dominance, actually this is when we see altcoins actually pump. So Let's go to, because in the previous video, you're gonna have to check it out because I gave you setups on Chainlink, on Mana, and then Bitcoin, and now I'm giving you setups on Lena and Dogecoin. So Doge USDT, real quick. So the setup is quite simple. It's a very quick trade. So because right now we actually had quite a big extension from like 88 cents to like 10 cents. So right now we really want to come in with like in between 9 cents and 9.5 cents. So this box right here is where we want to accumulate our long trade, and the stop would be a daily close below 8.7 cents right here, and the target for this trade would be the first target 11.5 cents, 11.7 cents, 11.8 cents. Again, not financial advice, that's just what I'm going to be personally doing. So in the grand scheme of things, it doesn't look that very big, so just a small continuation of a pump, but it would be a nice profit just based on the narrative and everything we're currently seeing with this. So once this actually happens, there is no more extra altcoin narrative to come unless just the pumps continue themselves. So this is just an interesting narrative trade on Dogecoin actually flying to the actual physical moon. And this is about Dogecoin. This is what we want to do. Then also when it comes to Lena, USDT, that's something that actually we're currently standing at not a bad price to start getting into it. So there is so if you want to start getting into it, you can. This is what I'm going to be doing personally. And our target, so the stop loss for Lena is at 1 cent. So this is basically the stop loss right here, this red line. And the take profit, right now, 75% of it, we're going to take profits at 1.3 cents. And the rest, 25% of the trade, will be held up to basically 2 cents. So this is about it, not 0.2, actually 2 cents. So apologies, that's wrong right here. Let me actually fix this. So this is going to be the target with a 25, the remainder of the trade itself. And if you're going to take a look at a bigger time frame, then you're going to see that it actually is quite a small one. And there is a reason why. We could see a very good pump in Lena. And this, like, if you actually zoom out, it's really tiny one, really tiny pump. And it actually looks quite good right now. So these are the trades that I have for you guys. And don't forget about Bybit. Sign up, use all the bonuses, and we're going to get ready for the bull market because we're going to be placing a lot of trades and making a lot of crazy money. So, and as always, peace and love. Thanks for all. Check out this quick tutorials to how to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with proper risk and money management, so you can actually follow the trades here. And peace and love. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.